Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to present on our product for Subject MPU 3242 Innovation Management, and our product title is Smart Plug. So, I will introduce our group members. Myself, Muhammad Yusri Bin Abu Bakar, Harimin bin Haris, Khairul Anuar bin Muhammad Noor, Jannah Binti Muhammad Fadzil, Nurul Anis binti Nazari, Muhammad Syahir Asyraaf bin Rani, Ahmad Syarif Mustafid bin Muhammad Radzi, and lastly, Zuhairi Bin Izazi.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Jannah binti Fadzil. I will present about company background. Our company name is Rgbtech SDR Mohd, and our address is Lot 1 Jalan P/1A, Bangi Industrial Estate, 43650, Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor. Our fax is 03674456, and our website is rgbtechsdrmohd.com.my. Our company is established in April 2030, and our activity of business is more focused on manufacturing electronic appliances, and our product more focused on electronic appliances. So next is mission and vision. So first, mission for our company are to offer a wide range of smart switch item of good design and function, excellent quality at price so low that most people can afford to buy them. So our vision of company are to create a company that will keep alive the respect among all people, excellent customer service, and giving back to communities and society. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Ahmad Syarif Mustafid bin Muhammad Radzi, and my ID number is 502142196064. And today I will present about why innovation is needed for company sustainability. The first one is follow the market trend. As an electronic company, we need to follow the trend to survive. We must make sure the consumer can also experience the new technology with better ecosystem. The second one is economic value creation. Our undertakings to bring inventive innovation and items made ready to produce benefits and secure new development drivers. We also endeavor to implant advancement into the texture of our corporate culture while making collaboration using outer asset to seek after open development. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Yusri Bin Abu Bakar. My student number 502142194041, and I will be presenting about a background of existing product. So this is an existing pin plug. The features of this product is they have universal multi-plug travel adapter. They are small and lightweight design, can be carried anywhere easily, and it is compatible with multiple sockets of multiple countries. So the weakness of this product is they do not have energy saving features, which lead to higher electrical bills. And this is an existing power plug. The features of this product is they are made of high impact and heat resistant PC material, have individual LED for on or off switch, easily accessible by 2-pin plug, child resistant shutter for extra protection. So the weakness of this product is they are difficult for consumer to switch on or off, as they need to close each one by one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syahir Asyraaf bin Rani. My ID number is 5021421960. Today I want to present about our product is a power plug. Power plug is the one of the most useful or essential product that need to have in every household, as it can give us additional socket for electrical appliances. Second, both of these plugs are small in design and easy to carry anywhere, and the consumer needs to come closer to the plug-in or order to switch it on or off. Third, the use of the technology in our product are more advanced compared to the existing product. For our problem statement existing product, first, excessive electric usage. The current electric plug does not have technology to cut excessive usage of electric. Current electric plug user always forget to switch off the plug when not using it, as the plug always located far from the user, thus resulted in excessive current usage. Second, hard or far to reach. The current electric plug is always located far away from the user and is hard for the user to reach for on or close purpose. Reason of product innovation of our product power plug. First, energy saving and safety, as the new plug are said to be equipped with energy saving tech will cut off excessive electric current. Second, user friendly. The new plug will reduce the energy used for the consumer to switch on or off the plug, as consumer can control on or off just from the smartphone.
My name is Zuhairi Bin Izazi. I will explain about the type of innovation. There are two types of innovation. First, system integration and the Internet of Things. The system integration is the between component in industry help to improve productivity, and the Internet of Things. The system also is user friendly with using smartphone as the medium communication. Then for product categories, first improvement make the remote switch into Alexa voice control and intelligent grouping control. Second, it can control home appliance, then can reduce the cost for the current. Then Alexa voice control, which is can control use our voice for turn on or off the plug. After that, it can allow the voice control with Amazon Echo, Echo Dot or Echo Show. And lastly, it can reduce the equipment from wasting electricity.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Harimin bin Haris. Now, I'm going to present on details of our product. So, our smart plug basically consists of four main parts. First is the plug cover. Function of plug cover is to let other electrical appliances to connect with the smart plug, and it is attached with the plug base. Second part is the plug base. Basically, plug base used to protect or cover the inside of the smart plug and also protect user from getting electric shock. Third part is the power button. Our smart plug power button can emit two color of LED light, which are red and green. Function as indicator for user to know whether the smart plug is on or off. Last part is the pin plug. We are using the most known and widely used 3-pin type in Malaysia. In addition, inside the circuit of the smart plug, there is also consists of electronic part like Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6.0. This is to let the user to use the smart features such as on or off the plug just by using smartphone, and the use of voice recognition through Google Home and Alexa. Next, the price of our product. So after discussion with our R&D teams, we decided that the cost of buying our smart plug is only 50 ringgit per product. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anuar bin Noor. So today I would like to present about target market. So one of our target market is residential consumers. They are the key end users for the market. They are who use smart plug as an affordable alternative to purchasing built-in smart appliances. Secondly, our target market is office workers. The improvement in network infrastructure has translated into better broadband and internet penetration. These consumers have started adopting new technologies because of their fast-changing lifestyle and the need for convenience. So one of the reasons we choose them as a target market is because the high demand for remote access to appliances. The concept of controlling all the electronic components of a home or office are gaining increasing attention, and vendors are developing smart plugs to cater to this demand. Smart plugs also allows homeowners or office owners to operate and monitor all connected appliances via smartphone through application. Another reason is the use of connectivity as a differentiating feature by manufacturer. So connectivity can be achieved through various wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This option be exposed and be shared by connected device to any of these technologies via smart plug is highly desirable, and it's drawing a lot of attention of many tech-savvy consumers. This connectivity with this solution allows for interoperability and cloud integration. The major advantage of adopting smart plug is to achieve wireless connectivity, including new functionalities, higher product utilization, and capabilities that transcend traditional product boundaries. The last reason is because the growing demand for energy efficient appliances. Smart home, smart office, they really make efficient use of energy and save on bills and utilities. The growing demand for energy efficient homes or office to meet the regulations set by agencies such as TNB, Suruhanjaya Tenaga. This will drive the demand for smart plugs during this forecast period. Thanks.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Noor Binti Nazari. So I will continue the next slide is it benefit and value of the product. For the first point is cut down as electric. Before we make the improvement, this product has a lot of weakness. We improve this product because some of the users always complain about the electric users and far from users. From this investigation, we make the improvement about this product. The improvement that we make is the remote switch, Asyraaf, control voice, and intelligent grouping control. And then for the second point is user friendly. The new plug will reduce the energy used for the consumer to switch on or off the plug, as a consumer can control on or off just from the smartphone. This will help the consumer to save more time. And then for the third point is it can control by the smartphone, which is this remote also can control by your smartphone through iOS or Android system. From this improvement, user can control from far and can reduce the cost from the current. And then the last point is it preventing high power equipment from heating, which is this improvement also can reduce the equipment from the wasting the electricity. The conclusion for this project is that innovation will not only improve the change of our business surviving, but also help it to thrive and drive increased profit. And then to integrate sustainability into the innovation space while achieving time and cost saving to improve business competitiveness and environmental footprint. There is a lot of attention of detail in terms of measurement and setting to the design. And then the last one is to drive sustainability in innovation is crucial for companies to stay agile and competitive in today's ever-changing. That's all from my side. Thank you.